Directorate of Criminal Investigations boss George Kinoti from serving a 4-month jail term issued by the High Court. Elsewhere, Kerugoya Court has detained a man who is accused of wiping out his family of 1 wife and 4 children for 40 days pending his plea taken in January next year.
That 31st March.
It is a reprieve for DCI boss George Kinoti after a bench of 3 Court of Appeal judges issued conservatory orders barring him from serving a 4-month jail term at the committee maximum prison. Kinoti was sentenced on November 18th this year, and a warrant of arrest issued yesterday after he failed to report to committee. Justices Fatuma Sichale, Msaga Mbogoli and Imana Laibuta will deliver their judgment on 1st April 2022. Kinoti is accused of disregarding a court order instructing him to return 7 AK-47 rifles and ammunition belonging to businessman Jimmy Wanjigi that had been confiscated from his homes in Nairobi in 2017. In Kirinyaga County, the High Court in Kerugoya has detained a man accused of hacking his wife to death and their 4 children for 40 days to allow the court provide him with an advocate before he takes plea on January 25th next year.
They are accused to be escorted to Kerugoya prison, remand. 2, an advocate be appointed for him. 3, my lord, that he undergoes a mental assessment. Yes, I'm told mental assessment has already been done.
The 35-year-old Paul Muraga Njoki, who appeared before Justice Richard Mongo in a virtual session, was found to be mentally fit to stand murder trial after a mental assessment test confirmed he was fit. Meanwhile, the court heard that investigators have recovered an axe from Murubara River that was used to hack the 5 to death and DNA samples taken from the suspect. As Njoki cools his heels in remand, the bodies of the 5 are still lying at the Kerugoya Hospital morgue after a court order stopped their interment at a disputed family land. Mwangi Maina, TV 47, Nairobi.